Hook. Your inbox is probably full of quick replies that somehow eat an hour of your day. In this video I'll show you a simple AI inbox workflow that auto-drafts replies in your tone, cleans up long threads and helps you reach inbox 0 way faster without sounding like a robot. Value. First, identify 3 to 5 types of messages you keep answering again and again. Client check-ins, are you available? Messages, payment questions, collab requests. Copy real examples and feed them to ChatGPT with the instruction, learn my tone from these replies and create short, friendly templates I can reuse. Keep them flexible so I can customize details. Now you have a mini library of answers that still sound like you. Second, when a new email comes in, instead of writing from scratch, paste the message into AI and say, using my tone and one of the templates above, draft a clear reply that is max 5 sentences, confirms next steps and feels human. You skim, tweak 1 or 2 lines and hit send. Third, use AI to summarize long threads. For those giant back and forth conversations, paste the whole thread and ask, give me a 3-bullet summary of what happened and what I need to do next. Then draft a polite final reply that closes the loop. This stops you from rereading the same chain 5 times. Over a week, this micro-automation saves you dozens of tiny decisions and a surprising amount of time. CTA. If you want my ready-to-copy prompt set for AI-assisted inbox replies, save this video and comment, inbox, so I know to record a full breakdown with real email examples.